I'm going to show you one very easy technique that can truly boost your productivity. And yes, it's very ADHD friendly, but I think it can help just anybody. Simple things work. Alright, so the first thing is, please make an estimate of how much time would you like to spend on a task. Let's say you want to study today and you want to study for 3 hours. Okay, then grab your phone and put an alarm for 3 hours. Seriously, as simple as that. Then, every single time when you get distracted or, God forbid, somebody else interrupts you, you're gonna pause the 3 hours. And why does this even work? Well, because especially ADHD people, but I think a lot of people in general, set a certain goal for the day. And if they get distracted, get on their phone, or they decide to get up and eat, or somebody talks to them. So if anything happens, the stars are not aligned anymore. They kind of see this as a failure for the task entirely. And they look at it as like, it is what it is. I failed today. I'm going to try better tomorrow. Or even worse, I'm not going to even try anymore. So instead of having this dramatic extremeness, and yes, for ADHD people, you either have perfect situation, stars have aligned, and you can get your shit together, or you're not even going to try because why, what for? You're not going to succeed, right? So those two extremes are hard to avoid and hard to meet in the middle. But this simple thing, just setting up your alarm, pausing it when you get distracted or disturbed, and then starting it again when you return to the task, will actually allow you to have some balance, to meet yourself in the middle, because then the distraction is not the end of the world. You are not done. You're not failed. You can still achieve the goal. I know it doesn't sound like a big deal. Why would such small thing work? Test it and you'll see. You'll see why. That was it for today. I said it's gonna be easy busy. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.